Spring season is finally here, and with it comes a lot of change on our small organic farm. These days, breakfast is quick and simple. As people are short on time for eating, everything is going on our farm, and spring planting is in full swing. This feels like my first year as a true farmer's wife. As most years past, I have been a farmer, and it's been a lot of work. And now I get to take a different role, a different position on our farm, and it's quite refreshing. This winter, I struggled with a lot of physical pain, and I'm just not able to work out in the fields right now like I usually would. And so my husband has made a plan for me to do a different kind of job on our farm. I am getting ready a lot of marketing materials for our farm. I'm going to be taking over doing some Facebook and Instagram posts for the farm. And I'm also our microgreens manager on the farm. I completely take on all of the microgreens work that our farm has. And I'll be cooking for the crew as well at lunchtime. And so my job is going to be more in-home and less outdoors. Both of my sons work as employees on the farm, and we have another young man working with the two boys. And I just love seeing them working outside. There's just something so special about it that just makes my heart pitter-patter. I'm a proud mama over here. This breakfast will just be for my husband and I. He will come in and eat when he has time, and this is an often occurrence. So I'll be eating solo, and I'm making a forest tea that I got on our cabin trip. We live in the Shuswap area of BC in Canada. And so our farm is very seasonal. We work from early spring until the later fall, and our winter is completely off. My husband does snow plowing in the wintertime. And so things are always changing. But the microgreens work is something that I've been doing for about 7 or 8 years now, and it's full year-round work. Although the content I mostly show on my channel is homemaking related, I do work on our farm year-round. It's just that the work is so repetitive that I don't always share it. As a busy mom who is always shopping organic, we own an organic farm, I care about chemicals in my food. And so today I'm introducing you to Caraway, the sponsor of today's video. Caraway is a non-toxic cookware company, and they test their cookware for over 200 toxins and microplastics so that it doesn't end up in your food. Caraway uses a ceramic coating that is 100% non-toxic and naturally slick so that you get those easy slide off eggs. You're going to see in a minute here that these eggs are not going to stick. No butter or oil used here, and look how easy that's coming off. That's just incredible to me that within minutes I have perfect scrambled eggs and nothing is sticking to the coating on this pan. It cleans up so easily, which makes dishes an absolute breeze. I'm going to show you how easily this cleans up. Everything just is coming loose. Everything comes loose. That's what I love so much about Caraway, is how easy it is to use and that nothing sticks to this, and it is just so easy to clean. I highly recommend getting the 4-piece cookware set like what I have, and it comes with lids for every single pot and pan, and it comes with this beautiful holder and these really sticky tabs that it hangs onto. Very strong, and this is heavy and it won't come loose. I really love this storage because it is so space saving, and these are magnetic so they all stick together. And you can see I've got another Caraway set over here. If you're thinking about swapping out your pots and pans, then Caraway has you covered. You can get 10% off of your purchase using the code FARMWIFE10, or use the QR code listed on the screen, and you can stack that on top of their Mother's Day sale up to May 11th. If you're wanting to swap out your pans for a non-toxic alternative, check out Caraway. Right now through May 11th, you can use my promo code FARMWIFE10 to get 10% off, and you can stack that on top of their Mother's Day deal. Orders over a certain amount will get you a free airtight storage duo. I'd like to thank Caraway for sponsoring today's video, and I couldn't be more pleased with their cookware. My husband has been working on starting seeds for a few months now, and even though it's early spring, this kind of work starts maybe back in February or March to get seedlings started, and it takes time to get them going. So this is our outdoor nursery that my husband constructed. These tables are heated, and this plastic protects them overnight when there's frost, which once there's no more frost, this plastic will be completely removed. But we've got to open this up in the morning and get some airflow in here and get these plants watered. We do a heavy rotation of crops on our farm, and so we're always planting and then taking down crops and planting again. And so all of these are going to be going into the ground very soon. The basement of our home is my microgreens area. That's where I grow year-round. And my husband starts his seeds down there when they're just getting started before they get moved out here. And so we're always fighting over space down there because his plants take up so much of my room, and I don't like the invasion of him in my space. Today is a Monday, and on Mondays I have to wash trays for my microgreens area. I have a complete weekly schedule that I have to do. And so these trays have already been harvested, and I need to empty them, compost the remains, and wash these trays so that I can start all over again. Year-round, we do a Friday delivery, And in the winter, it's mostly just microgreens. My husband had a lot of carrots and beets stored over the winter as well. And so this is just now us getting started with new crops, and we'll be delivering twice a week once things amp up. I'm happy that I'm finally able to use my laundry line again, which I absolutely love. The cord does need to be replaced soon, but today I have a load of farm-related items. These laundry bags are actually for washing and spinning our salad greens. And so I've washed and bleached them, and I also have gloves here for the boys because we use a lot of gloves on our farm. Out of all of the seasons of the year, spring is just my absolute favorite. I love how green everything is, a fresh start for the year, and everything blooming. It's just so beautiful. This is actually my first time of the year washing these trays outside. We have a pressure sprayer, but it's not hooked up right now, so I'm just using our nursery hose. But I usually wash all of these trays every week indoors throughout the entire winter. I've actually been reflecting lately on honestly how little of my farm life I share here on YouTube. And so it is going to be a goal of mine to include a lot more of my farm life here on my channel, because this is the farmer's wife after all. But I always share my love of homemaking, which is really the core of my channel. But my homemaking and farm life are so intertwined. I was so blessed when a viewer actually emailed me wanting to send me this book. This is an Amish cookbook, Amish and Mennonite cookbook, actually. And Ginny, thank you so much for sending me this book. I absolutely love it so much. And today I decided that I was going to try out one of the recipes for a sauerkraut soup, which I've never heard of and never made before. This soup is so unique, and I just loved the sounds of it, but it's just so different. So we are making a cream-based soup that has kielbasa sausage and sauerkraut in it, which is something that would go so well with pierogies. I even considered pierogies would be a really good sort of dumpling to add to this soup, which maybe I'll try in the future. I had mentioned in a previous Amish cooking video how much I loved Amish and Mennonite recipes for their simplicity and sort of old-fashioned country vibe. And that is just the heart of my cooking right there in a nutshell. And I want to try almost every single recipe in this cookbook. So let me know in the comments if you want me to make a cooking video out of some of these recipes. This recipe is extremely simple. We're just frying up some onions and kielbasa sausage that's been finely chopped. And we're going to be adding milk and cream to this soup. And I believe I added some garlic and a few seasonings. This soup turned out absolutely delicious. However, there was something happen that I didn't expect. I am going to be doing a lot of cooking on the farm this summer and feeding a lot of hungry men and boys. So this is something that I love doing already, and I'm quite excited about this task. Oftentimes the boys will come inside and they're just scrambling for what kind of leftover they can put together for their lunch, but they have such a limited amount of time that it's quite stressful sometimes. And so my husband wants to sort of employ me, if you will, unpaid of course, to make the lunch for the boys so that they can just come in and have more of a restful lunch hour. And I'm going to do my best. For this recipe, I need 3 cups of milk and 1 cup of half and half. And this is the cream base to this soup. And so it's very simple. I also need to add a can of sauerkraut with its juice. However, I had about half to 3/4 of a container of sauerkraut already in my fridge that needed to be used, which is why this was the perfect recipe for today. And so I plan on sharing my farm life more with you guys on this channel, along with my cooking and all the things that are happening on our farm throughout the season. Okay, so the interesting thing that actually happened with this soup that I wasn't expecting was that the sauerkraut, the acidity in it, made the milk curdle. Now, as someone who's done cheese making, this didn't alarm me. It should have been actually expected because lemon juice will do the same thing. So we ate it anyways, even though the texture was a bit different, and this soup was absolutely delicious. My goal is to have homemade bread, but lately I've been in a season where I've been buying store-bought. And as a homemaker, you have your ups and downs, and it's just the way it is. If you're wanting to swap out your pans for a non-toxic alternative, check out Caraway. Right now through May 11th, you can use my promo code FarmWife10 to get 10% off, and you can stack that on top of their Mother's Day deal. Orders over a certain amount will get a free airtight storage duo. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week.